feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
A grinding noise when starting your car often indicates an issue with the starter motor or flywheel. Over time, these components can wear out or become damaged. Check for worn teeth on the flywheel and ensure the starter motor's gears are not stripped. If the noise persists, it's advisable to consult the mechanic to prevent more serious damage.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.